welcome back to BP interview tutorials, and today we came up with an video which is regards to how to create the QR code with the help of MS Excel. So we will learn this activity today, like we will prepare a QR code like this. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to check out our channel, which is BPO interview tutorials, and go to playlist. You will find approximately 253 videos that will help you in learning many things like MS Excel dashboard, 6 Sigma certification, MS Excel tricks, 7 quality tools, trainers, quality analyst, chat GPT, statistics, project management, workforce management, WFM, Google Data Studio, people management, trainers. Many more videos are there. Please go and check out the playlist, learn all the videos so that you can crack your interviews very easily. So before moving to the video, we will just see the understanding here. We'll see the understanding like how this was prepared. To prepare this particular tool, we require this particular code. Okay, I will paste the same code in our description also so that you can use it. So let's see how this QR code prepared. First of all, what I'm doing is I'm adding my channel link only, www.com BPO interview tutorials. This is my channel link, and here I need to use a QR code mechanism. How I will use? First, I will delete everything. I will use this particular code. I will paste this in our sheet also. Okay, let me paste this code here. Select Control C. Okay, and equal to. Let me paste. Control V. I will add equal to sign also in the starting, because our formula always start with equal to. Here it is asking equal to and double quotes. I will mention and sign, and I will choose this particular cell where we have the URL C6, right? And close bracket, enter. That's it. And make sure we are doing this activity in our Google Sheets. Okay, if you're doing in the normal Excel also, make sure your internet is on, because it will only work when your internet is on. In this we will do this simple activity, guys. We have to copy this code, equal to colon, and in the last we have to add and sign, and we have to select the cell where we have the link C6 and bracket close. If we do this, our QR code will get generated. Now you guys can use your phone and open your Google Chrome, copy this, go to your Google Chrome, open Google Lens, and try to scan this QR code. Definitely this link will work. So in this way we can create the QR code. This is very useful activity. First point, guys, reason, if we are creating any forms for our agents or anything, this can give an automation or a more like a creative approach to share a QR code with your agents, and definitely they can access that particular link very easily. So in this way we can create it. Still have any doubt, let me know, guys, because this is very easy portion I thought to share with you guys, that how to create a QR code with the help of MS Excel in Google Sheet. And don't miss to subscribe the channel and share your feedbacks and comments with the positive, negative, what you guys have observed, and also let me know if you required a video on any of this specific topic. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.